Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So today we are going to cover the basics of Scratch, okay? So who can watch this video? The student or the child who don't know anything about coding, anything about Scratch, they can watch this video. Even the intermediate level also they can watch it, okay? So today we are going to start what is Scratch, how to open the Scratch, what you need to search in Google, how to join the Scratch, how to sign in, each and everything we are going to see. Okay. So let's start. You need to just open the Google because in Google we are searching everything. So in the Google just search for Scratch. So once you will search the Scratch, press the enter button. This is the first link which is scratch.mit.edu. I will give you this link in the description box also. So you can directly check on the description box. So the very first thing, in order to use any platform, you have to first sign in. Okay. Before that, let me explain you why we are learning the Scratch and what is coding. Okay. So we can say nowadays we have lots of devices. If you know, we have computer, we have our laptop, right? We have our mobile phone. So this all are the devices. In order to communicate with your device, you will require certain language. It means, for example, I want to communicate with any other person. At least we will require one common language. By using that language, we can communicate. Okay. In the same way, in order to communicate with your laptop or computer or mobile phone or any other devices, you will require one language. And that language is nothing but coding. Okay. So we can say coding is our computer language. Okay. So if you will learn the coding, you will get lots of benefits. The very first benefit, you are able to use the new technologies. You are able to create your own animations. You are able to create your games. Okay. Even you can create the apps also. You can create the robots also. This all are the some benefit that you will get once you will learn the coding. Okay. So as you can see, we open the Scratch. First, you need to join the Scratch because you have to create your own user ID and password. So once you will click on join the Scratch, it will ask you, you need to create a username. So you have to write one username which is unique. You need to write, for example, I'm just writing ABC123. So if this is already exit, you will get like this is already exit. Please try to select any other. Okay. So once you will fill all these details like your username and you need to create one password. For example, ABC123, ABC123. Okay. So it's two, you see, let me add one unique name. We can add code for kids Shraddha. Okay. So this is like our username. This one is the password. You have to press the next button. It will ask you what country do you live in. So I'm from India. So I will select like I'm from India. Okay. Whatever is your country, you need to select that. So when you born, you need to enter your date of birth. For example, I'm just entering my date of birth. Next, so what's your gender? So if you are male, you need to select male. If you are female, just try to select the female. Okay. Now you need to just enter your email ID, whatever email ID you are using, and then just press on create your account so that you are able to create your own account. I already created lots of accounts, so I will not entered my email ID. So once you will enter your email ID and just press create your account, so you will get one user ID and password. You need to remember that user ID and password. The best way, you can write your user ID and password in your notebook. Okay. Once you will create your account, you need to just click on sign in. So after sign in, just try to write your user ID and password. Okay. So once you will write your user ID and password, you need to just press on sign in button, so that whatever project we are going to create, you are able to save all the projects. Okay. Suppose if you will create any project, so automatically your project will save inside your account where you will get it. Just click on your username, click on my stuff, you will get all the project that you created. Okay. So as you can see, I created like total 7 to 2 projects. So in your case, if you are beginner, you will get like a 0 project is created. After that, how to create a new project. So as you can see, this is your create button. Okay. Like this one. Once you will click on this create button, you are able to create a new project. Okay. So just press here on create button so that you are able to create a new project. Okay. If you have any question, just write your question in the comment section. So I will give you the reply. Okay. After that, this is the Scratch. As you can see, if I will show you, Scratch is divided into three parts. This is the first part that you have. This one is the second part that we have, and this one is the third part. Okay. The first part is called as palette window. Okay. So this is the first part, which is palette window. The second part is called as script area. Okay, this is nothing but your script area. So this is nothing but our stage area. So we have total three things. One is palette window, one is script area, and one is stage area. So let me show you the next part now. Suppose I want to delete this cat. You need to just press on this delete button so that you are able to delete it. Okay. The very first thing, in order to create any game or any animation, you will require some background. So that background is called as backdrop. If you will click on this option, choose a backdrop, you will get lots of backdrops. It's your choice which one you wanted to add. Suppose I want to add this colorful city, so that you are able to add this colorful city. Okay. After this, suppose I wanted to add some character for my game or for my animation, that is called as sprite. So once you will click on sprite, you will get lots of sprite. You can add any sprite. Okay. For example, we added one girl. We can add some more sprite. For example, Abby. There is a 2 girl. Okay. After that, the next part is how to add instructions, how to pass the command. Now, suppose I want to move this girl from here to here. Okay. What we can do, if you will run this project, nothing will happen. Why? Because we not added any command. How to add the command? So as you can see, if you will click on this blocks, you will get different options, and each block have different meaning. Okay. So always we need to start the project with event. Event is something like action. Like if I will click on flag, I want to move the girl. So that action you need to add like this. You have to hold it and drop it here. Okay. So when flag is clicked, we need to move the girl. So all the movement like motion you will get here. Like move 10 steps. So when we will click on the flag, we need to move the girl. Okay, let's see. When I'm clicking on the girl is moving. See? But what we want to move the girl again and again. Like it is not when I'm clicking the flag, then only the girl is moving. No, we want to move the girl again and again. So that is nothing but control. It's like forever. So whatever thing we want again and again, we need to add that inside the forever. Like see, when I'm running it, girl is moving. But the girl is going outside from my stage area. See, in order to return the girl, what we can do, because this is your ages. If you want, if girl will reach to this age, we want to return it back. So it's a very simple. Just click on the motion, little bit scroll down. You will get if there will be the age. See, now the girl is returning back, but you can observe the girl is like ups and down. Okay. So what we can do for that, we need to set the rotational style for the girl. Okay. Now the girl is moving fine. If you want to provide the hand movement and all, you need to simple go to the looks. You can add this next costume. But see, the movement is very fast. If you want to slow it down, we can just go to the control. Like after waiting for 1 second, now the girl is moving and girl is giving the action. So in this way, you can start your code. This is my logic that we added. When we will click on the flag, we want to move the girl. If there will be the age, girl will return it back. After waiting for 1 second, we want to change the hand movement of the girl. In the same way, we can do for this Abby, the second girl. So you need to select the Abby. Just click on this event when flag is clicked. Now, what is the next step? Just write in the comment section. Click on control, add this forever. Inside the forever, we need to move it. Okay, now see, Abby is also moving, but she is going outside. Again, you can take the age. Now, for ups and downs, you need to just add the rotational style. If you want again the hand movement, you can add this next costume. See? But if you want to slow it down, just add this wait. So after waiting for 1 second, they both will work. They both will move. So in this way, you can start your project. So as you can see in this video, we covered all the basic thing about Scratch, right? We just join the Scratch, like how to log in into the Scratch, then how to set the backdrop, how to set the sprite, how to start the code. All these things we covered in this video. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. If you want any particular project, just write that project name in the chat box so that I will create a video for that project as well. Okay. So thank you so much. Nice to meet